Good morning. Here I am with my 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Express 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Today we're going to be cleaning this Magnaflow stainless steel universal performance muffler, recommended by Chip Foose. Part number here is a 12198, and it's a 3-inch in, 2.5-inch out exhaust, all stainless steel. So I'm just going to run down to the muffler shop here and get this thing installed. Here I am at Tires Plus Tireland in Mission. I'm here to get my exhaust put in. And these guys have anything and everything you could imagine, from, of course, custom tires to exhausts to whatever. That's my 2015 Ram Express. This is getting a Magnaflow exhaust put in today, and something that's overdue because it doesn't sound very aggressive with the stock exhaust, so we're gonna make it sound better. So as you can see, he's making a proper adapter here to step this down. A lot of places will just gob that in there with weld, but he's actually making this so it's removable. That's fucking gorgeous. So he set this up so it's a clamp in. And what you can do is you can actually take this out and put the stock exhaust system back in. Here's the startup. Grant? There. Oh, buddy. Perfect. Love it.